This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to Buena Park, a residential pocket of uptown, to a location that's a short walk from bars, restaurants, coffee shops, and Lincoln Park for a tour of one of the apartments at Buena Shores. I'm on the top floor of the building at apartment 2209. Looking east a short distance to Lincoln Park and Montrose Harbor. Turning around into a nice-sized living dining area. Looking at oak flooring throughout the apartment. It's a ceiling fan in the living dining area. Looking toward the entryway where there's a coat closet and a hall that's wide enough for a console table to set your keys on. Turning into the kitchen. Have white appliances. There's a pantry cabinet, built-in microwave and dishwasher, and a 4-burner gas range. Overall, you have good cabinet and counter space, and a space for a small kitchen table. Turning toward the bedrooms and bath. First of the 3 bedrooms is off to my left. Seeing another air conditioning unit. Bath is directly opposite. Has a mirrored medicine cabinet and a tub shower combination. White vanity. There's another closet off to my right as I head toward the 2nd and 3rd bedrooms. Bedroom 2. And bedroom 3. All the bedrooms are large enough to accommodate a queen-size bed, and they're similarly sized. Buena Shores has an attractive location, fitness room, budget-friendly apartments. Definitely want to have it on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.